Hello friends, this is episode number 28 and since Parikshit is not there with me today, I thought of doing some drawings with you. So, let's get started with the anime drawing of a boy wearing a mask. Let's get started. So the anime drawing, an easy anime drawing, how to draw an anime boy wearing a mask. Yeah, let's get started. So let's first make the mask. That's gonna be easy. Okay. Yeah. Okay. That's a mask. And now make the ears. Yeah. Let's make the eyes. The eyelids. And small eyebrow. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Now the hairs. The most interesting part of the anime drawing are the hairs. So that's the anime drawing of a boy with a mask. Was that not easy? Okay, so let's see who got featured in this week's video. In this video, basically, as you already know that we have been featuring one profile that you should be following, and let's see if you got featured. Check it out.
Big shout out and congratulations to both the YouTube profile and the Instagram profile. Thanks for supporting us. If you want to be featured too, share your drawings on Instagram stories and tag at the Kids Fun Club.
Do not forget to share. Okay, now that you're back, congratulations to whoever got featured. let's finish up this drawing and then we'll move on to the next episode. That would be episode number 29. Did you enjoy this drawing? Tell us in the comments what drawing should we be drawing the next time. Yeah, and I'll be waiting for you to hear from you which one should we draw next. Until then, have a great and a wonderful day. Bye-bye.